Hi, Connie.
Hi, Paul.
What you up to?
Well, we ran into some tough tile here, man. Tough tile.
Yeah?
So what I'd like to do is loosen it up for you a little bit.
All right. Well, you're tougher than that tile, I bet.
Tougher than the tile. I got earplugs,
All right.
glasses,
Yeah.
respirator,
Yeah.
towel to prevent flying shards,
Yes.
sledge hammer.
All right. Go to it,
All right. Loosen it up for you.
please. All right.
Woo!
That's awesome.
That's.
How old are you?
I'm 60.
That's awesome. Thank you very much.
I'm 60.
Pull up that towel. Let's see what's under there.
Say what?
What's under the towel? Some cracked up tile.
Oh, you want to? Let's see what we got. We got a few really nice pock marks.
Ooh, yeah. Well, we'll take care of it. All right. Thanks.